Is this God's house? Why is this place so psychedelic? Is this God's house? If I touch something.
Watch where your hands are. We're not playing no fucking games.
I have your license plate. I see you.
If possible, try to put your scooters and bikes inside just in case, or lock them up. Thankfully, the owner was paying attention. He went and got his scooter back. Let me know what you guys think about this one.
Can I help
Is this
you?
guy just talking
Hello?
crazy, or does he really need some help?
Yes, can you come out the door real quick, please? Hurry up.
You need to go out and I'm calling the police. Get out.
Hey, hurry up. Hurry up. This rich and that door. Tell your whole motherfucking country door.
Get out right now. The police is coming. Get off the property.
Ma'am, I need to talk to your hub. I stay next door, ma'am. It's Richard. I need to talk to your hub, man. Hurry up. Ma'am.
He's not
I
here.
stay next door, ma'am.
He's
Huh?
not here. He's not here.
Hey. Call the police. You got a lot of people in your yard. I stay next door, ma'am. I ain't trying to do nothing. You got this stealing everything. Call the police. You got 5 niggas in your yard. I'm Richard. I stay next door. I jumped the gate. I stay next door, baby. I'm Richard. I jumped the gate. Call the police.
I cannot come.
Okay.
I cannot come to the door. I'm sorry. Good night.
I know. Okay, I stay next door. I was just letting you know. You know what I'm saying? Damn, I wish you knew. Hey, call my home. Please, for taking all this shit. Damn.
Get off the property and no.
Don't forget about your other delivery options, pickup locations, PO boxes, and Amazon lockers they can get sent to.
Hey, drop that shit. Back the fuck up. If I beat the fuck out of you. That. Try stealing my package right now. I ain't dealing with that shit. Hell no.
Hey, I apologize.
Yeah.
It won't happen again. I thought it was trash. My bad.
Back the fuck up. If I beat the shit out of you.
Hey, you heard what I said, bro.
I heard what you said, motherfucker. I'm telling you, back the fuck up.
Be careful what you leave in the front of your home. It could attract these different characters.
What you doing?
My bad, baby. I thought this was trash. I apologize. Sorry, man.
Looks like we got a tweaker on the porch.
Yo, yo, what you doing?
Oh, my bad. I'm good.
Danny? Hello? Hello? Danny? What are you doing? Who is this? Who is this?
Jerry.
So this one, this is a three-star.
Hello? Why are you at my door?
One star you can do it on your own. Then you collect.
I'm calling the cops right now. I'm calling the police.
Yo.
Hello? Leave the front. I'm calling the police.
Instead of threatening it, call the police silently so these people can be arrested.
Huh? Yo.
Why are you at my door?
I'm a foot. And I'm leaving. I'm hungry. Help me out. I'm leaving,
I
bro.
don't have any. I don't have anything to help you with. You gotta leave. Do not take anything from that door.
Can you call my aunt right quick? See if she see these phones. They can't. Hey, no, not at all.
Wait way too long for them to do all that. You don't even need to worry about it. You figure all that out later. It's in the backyard, bro.
Let me see. Hold on.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. This guy's going around looking for something to steal.
Can I help you?
Activated.
Like that. Like that, baby. You know what I mean? Huh? Let me tell you, man. Hey, man. Put
that down, bro. Yo, put that down. Yo, yo, put it down. That's great. And he didn't give a fuck.
This lady comes onto this porch and starts taking apart this package. Don't forget about your other delivery options, PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
Hey, get off my porch or I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the police. I have your face. I have your face. You better drop it. I'm calling the cops anyway.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. It's midnight. I don't know what this guy wants. Like I said in my last video, be careful what you keep in your yard. It could attract some desperate and strange characters.
Get off my porch and put my stuff down. Put my stuff down.
Don't even try that shit. Hey, I got cops on the way. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. I got cops on the way. And put that board back up.
This guy turns the ring cam into target practice when he gets caught.
Stop fucking throwing shit. What's wrong with you? Hey, cops are on the way, man. Stop throwing shit. Stop. It's throwing wood. In the house? Yeah, it's trying to knock down the camera. Put that shit out.
Y'all fucking thieves. I say, don't come to my yard no more. Nah, don't fucking play with me. Stop trying to steal out people's fucking cars. We work. Lame ass niggas.
Take your bitch ass to school.
Not really sure what's up with this guy, what he got going on, but Charlotte takes a
boy.
tumble.
Why you have your fingers in my camera?
Roll door.
Please double check those doors before you go in. And it also helps to not have your garage open at 2 a.m. Please try to be aware of your surroundings at all times as much as possible. This bike was stolen right under this family's nose.
How can I help you?
Strange, this guy hears somebody on the speaker and still decides to try some keys. With the holiday seasons approaching, don't forget about your other delivery options, PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
Man, walk away. Walk away. You mother.
Crazy dude at your house? In the security camera?
He just stole my granddaughter's package off the front porch.
You're kidding. You have a mic on there and you
A lot of people like to ignore warnings. I bet this guy wish he didn't.
House? If I touch something, I'm scared it's gonna turn into a snake. What is this? Fucking God's house? All deliveries, please ring doorbell. Thank you. Is this God's house? Hi? What kind of weird house is this that I told the Pope cannot die. The Pope cannot die. Pope St. Francis, please, Hail Mary.
Can I help you?
No.
What are you doing?
No, nothing.
Get away from our window and don't come back.
You keep going down the road he's going to end up at God's house.
Hmm?
I know somebody in the front. You heard me?
Can I help you?
I'm just talking to this machine.
That's my bill. You just rang it.
Yeah, I was talking to them.
You're talking to me. This is my house.
Oh, okay.
What can I do?
This guy comes to his door with a big knife. Everybody should arm themselves just in case. You never know people's intentions. Check Bonnie and Clyde out. Looks like they're trying to steal some car parts. They go up under this hood, but get scared off.
Keep walking. Keep walking. Get out. Get out.
I'm just sorry. Sorry. I'm just looking around.
Get out.
Sorry.
It's crazy what these kids are willing to do just for a car. Make sure you arm yourselves too out there. Check this lady out. She comes onto this porch just to steal this plant. Soon we're not going to be able to have nothing nice on our porch.
I'm calling the police. I'm calling the police. Leave the plant. Leave the plant here.
Get away from my shed. Get away from my shed. Dumbass.
Very petty, this guy steals the wig off the skeleton. Is he going to use it for himself? Let me know if you could tell what this guy is saying.
How you doing, bro? Yeah? How you doing? I'm not much of a smart ass or anything. I don't have news or anything. What is going on tonight?
I have no idea what you're talking about. But we're all going to bed. Could you please?
Yeah.
Hello.
What can I do for you?
It's just, can I ask you a question?
Say what?
Can I ask you a
Yeah,
question?
what's the question?
Hey, my bad to bother abuse this time, but it's cause I'm trying to get to my home and my bike, I need a little bit gas. Can you try to
No,
help me
man.
with that?
No. Bye-bye.
Let me know down in the comments. We going for the sob story or not? I see some people trying to celebrate Halloween early, and the haters are following right behind.
Hey, it's my cousin. Sit. Sit.
I'll call the police on you.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. You never know anybody's intentions.
Get out of here. I know. I see you. I'm calling the cops right now.
Hey, get away from that body.
Like I said earlier, make sure you keep those doors locked. This guy got on no shirt, no shoes. Depending on what he wants, this can go very bad. Watch out for these
Hello?
fake workers coming onto your property trying to steal. This guy really needed some sandals.
Sorry, we're not interested. Have a great day.
I'm looking for a tenant.
Hey, look, everybody do this music like that. The big do is, look like clear. Hey, I'm gonna go sell it.
But no, it's my daughter's bike, man. Yeah.
Okay, so you know some people just have bikes, but I only have four more in the bag. Let's see, I'd rather ask you to grab it.
Yeah, no, that's cool, man. No, it's my daughter's bike, man. No, you're good, man.
Yes, sir. See you guys, okay?
All right.
Who are you? What do you want? Hey, what do you want? Do you want to get shot?
Oh, sure. Oh, yes, sir.
Get the fuck out of here. You're about to get shot, dude.
In my opinion, the best way to avoid thieves is to not show them what you have. Look at all this stuff that's on display. Pretty sure those bikes are almost $1,000 each, especially if they're gas. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. This guy comes onto this porch saying that he found 2 dogs and he's wondering if they're for this house.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Yeah, sure. Don't know if you have dogs, 2 huskies, but I found them and they're kind of hanging out in the driveway. So if my 2 dogs got lost, I want someone to know. So sorry for disturbing you this late at night.
With the holiday seasons approaching, make sure you get your packages as early as possible. I know there's going to be a big influx of packages being delivered. And also consider your other options: PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
Yo, yo.
What'd you see?
Man, you can get the fuck around my house, my nigga.
Okay.
I'm gonna call the police on your bitch ass.
We gone.
I'm calling the police on your bitch ass. Get the fuck around my house, my nigga. You got 10
We gone.
seconds, bitch ass. You got 10 motherfucking seconds. The police are coming, little motherfuckers. Get the fuck around my house. Police are coming. Police are coming. The motherfucking police are coming, bitch asses. Get the fuck around my house.
We may have to just go back to folding chairs. These fancy chairs are attracting the wrong people to your porch. Fold them up and just take them back inside.
Hello. Sorry to disturb you.
Let me in. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop. Yeah, let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in.
Check Granny out. She's much stronger than we think. She's about to carry this all the way back to her house. Somebody needs to buy their grandmother a folding table.
To stay for a while at a person's house, I guess. I am to be alone with him. I'm actually not supposed to be talking about it, but he's leading me to where I'm supposed to be, and I don't know if this is the right place.
Okay, I'm not sure. I'm sorry.
Okay, so apparently I'm
Really sure. Sorry.
okay. Thank you.
Try to get your packages as early as possible. Not sure why this package is out at 10 p.m.
Hello?
Hey, somebody told me that a desk was dumped here illegally because of the ring. You documented it?
Yes, it looks like someone came and picked it up already.
That's not possible because it wasn't me.
Okay, well, I'm not sure who picked it up, but it's not out front
I need
anymore.
to know who picked it.
Okay, I don't know who picked it up, and I am at work right now.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but you posted a bunch of information that was personal information instead of calling me to tell me, hey,
Okay,
this is
sir,
somebody
so
stole it from my office.
someone
They stole
dumped
it from my office.
trash, office
Somebody
furniture
stole it
on
from
my
my office.
lawn, and you're
They
mad
stole it
because
from,
I posted it? I don't care. Get off of
yeah,
my
because they
property right
stole it
now.
from my office. They stole it from my office, and I wasn't notified.
Well,
If
I
you had
can't help you
something that
who
you have a
stole
problem with,
it because it wasn't
but you
dropped
didn't
on my
call the number,
property.
it was my fault. But
Okay,
you
I
didn't call the
don't
number
care.
and say,
Get off
hey,
of my property. Get off of my property before
I
I call
already
the
had it
police.
taken down
I
because it was
don't know who
illegal to
took
post
your
that.
desk. It shouldn't have been on my property in the first place. And yes, I posted it.
That's
So
correct,
get
which
off
I
of my
didn't do.
property.
So stop illegally posting shit of personal
Calling
information.
the
It
police
wasn't.
now. It shouldn't have been on
Oh,
my
because I
property in the
already called
first
the
place. I can
police.
post whatever I want.
That's right. It should have been in my office
And
when
you're a
somebody
doctor?
stole it.
And you're a doctor.
Yes.
Okay,
Sir,
so whoever
somebody
stole it,
stole
that's
it.
your problem, your business. Keep it off of my property.
Next time, call the goddamn number.
Next time, get off of my property. How about that? It shouldn't have been there in the first place. And don't come back to my property.
Check this guy out. He tries to break into this house, but he's so out of it, he doesn't even hear the owner warning him.
Oh, you better not be breaking into my house, motherfucker. Hey, he's breaking into my house. Some crackhead breaking into my house. Dude, what the fuck? Get out of here. 1009 68th Avenue West. Please hurry. Somebody's trying to break into my home. 1009 68th Avenue West. Bradenton. Yes. My husband and my kids are home. My name's Allison Stoller. There's some guy on my Ring camera right now trying to break into my home. My husband's phone is dead. Nobody's answering. Please hurry. Please hurry. He's trying to break into our electric lock. Thank you. I'm talking to him through the Ring camera, but he doesn't care. I'm at work, but my kids and my husband are home. He's walking off my porch right now.
Hello, we'll BRB after we BBQ. If you want to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, ma'am. I'd like to borrow a favor from you, Miss Hawkins, Miss Anderson, Miss Miller. This is Thomas Thompson, ma'am. I'll be back another time. I see you're busy. I'll come back another time. I'm handy capable. My arm is a little bit numb right now. I took a little bit of medication. I'll come back another time because you're busy. Okay, you have a good day, ma'am. It's Thomas Thompson. Thank you.
It's 4 a.m. Not sure if this guy's looking for work or if he's up to something else. This guy comes onto this porch and claims that money from his account was used to buy this house. Not sure what he's on.
Whose property it is? Because someone had bought a house with my money. I want to know if this is it. Yo, I know you see me. You know we could trace that money, right?
He's so stupid just landing there as if I'm not going to see you. When I see you, I'm going to do your ass the worst way. And that's on my shorties. How you let a hoe come to your door and you don't come outside, but you got a firearm?
Be careful going to people's house with drama. This lady's boyfriend is inside this house with another woman, and it doesn't end well.
Guess what? Guess what?
This lady seems like she needs to hit the range and actually learn how to use that thing.
What's up, bitch?
Bring my shit, my nigga, because I got you on the camera. Yeah. Yeah. You can keep it moving. Keep it straight on moving, Bill. Keep straight on moving, I'm telling you. I don't give a fuck about that, bro. You should have thought about that shit before you over there breaking in people's shit.
We're not playing no fucking games. Come towards me. Come towards me. Turn away from me. Walk backwards with your hands up. Walk backwards down the stairs with your hands up. Do not fucking do anything stupid. I will shoot you. Anybody back there? Come on, phone.
Holiday season's getting closer and closer. Don't forget about your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
On this fucking pyramid is home. Fuck with me if you want to. I don't give a fuck. I ain't got my keys to go home. I will slice a nigga up right now. Well, the fuck leave out this bitch. Your ass going home and Feel me if you want to. It's me by myself right now. If I gotta call more niggas,